Okay, welcome back to another episode of Active Everyday Learning. Today we're going to go through reassessing squat and push-up positions. What we're going to notice in the first couple of videos with this person, when they squat, they push their hips really far back. We see a lot of movement in their lower spine. At the bottom of the rep, we see their pelvis move a second time. This is a lack of stability in the pelvis and spine. We want to fix this and reduce this. If we can set our pelvis to more of a neutral or flat position using pelvis tilts, and then initiate our squat with our knees pushing slightly forward, it results in our body staying more upright throughout the movement. It also results in less unneeded movement through our middle and lower spine. That unneeded movement can translate into a loss of strength and even more, an increase in injury risk. Here at the last few reps, we can see this person having a much more stable spine and pelvis throughout, really initiating the movement with the knees traveling forward first. These really start to become quite nice reps. We add some load to not just challenge to see if the position can be consistent without load, but also to reinforce that new position. Knees moving forward, spine more neutral, consistent, stable. As we move on now, same person, we can see very similar breakdowns in their push-up. In this slow motion video, it really helps to highlight that excessive curve in that lower back. And that's going to come from a loss of stability in the spine and a loss of stability in the pelvis. As we move through the next couple of videos, we'll see some regular push-ups or push-ups at regular speed. And we can see a small effort to make a correction in the pelvis. And you see the lower back start to flatten. But here in the next two videos, we're going to see this person make the adjustment to their pelvis and their spine before moving into a plank and then doing push-ups. So here we see a loss of position and then regaining position, setting the spine and pelvis neutral, engaging into the plank, beginning the push-ups. Now, if this is new for you, it's going to be hard to maintain that alignment in your pelvis. You're going to lose it. It's going to happen as you do reps. And we can see the folds return to this person's shirt right in their lower back. And as we come in here to the last video, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to set, reset, move out of position, move in position. We're doing a lot of reps to get familiar with how to set up, but also to get familiar with what the position feels like. We reset, we reassess how we feel, we start pressing. Now, after you've done a few reps, we've got to reassess how we feel, reassess what our position is like, and make little adjustments at the pelvis if we need to. Now, these last few reps, we can see an adjustment happen. There we go. And then he goes on and finishes the set. So this is a good review of what our spine can look like, how to stabilize our spine when we squat and press.